Well, I'm back at it again, working on this Chevy Tahoe. This episode, we're going to be working on the lights and the siren and the controls that go to that. I'm taking this thing out of here. This is a siren and light controller, and just this big black box. Already took this computer pedestal off, and I got the pieces that go here and here. So let's start taking this apart and looking at it and see what we got. I mean, I was thinking about this. What's up with this? I mean, there's no cup holder in this cop car. How in the heck does he wash down a donut if he ain't got nowhere to hold a drink? Crazy. Alright, I got this undone now. Let's see if we can't push this through here. Take this out, put it in there. This, just turn it sideways. Oh, there it is. Hey, I got it out. Awesome. Set that to the side right there for right now. See what we can do with this here. Yowzer. What are we gonna do with all this? All right, here's the back of it. Green and blue goes to that number 2, and yellow goes to that number 1. Battery goes in right there. And then there's a battery and a ground. And what a freaking mess. Look at all this mess right here, boy. I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to turn them on and fix the power first. And then after I fix the power, I'll start figuring out where these wires go and start trying to move them so that this can be a hunting van and not just a police car. This is crazy. Where's this going? Where's this wire going? That's what's nuts. This wire's going all the way to there, which is ignition, ground, park, radio, horn. I fixed and cut all these wires. We're gonna pull them out. We're gonna move this thing somewhere else so we can have a console in here. I think that's the best thing to do. Get a video of all these wires. Purple to purple. I don't even know. It's just junk. Alright. We got us a new console now with cup holders and cigarette lighter charger, phone place, and so this will be more feasible now. And look at the mess of wires that are in here. Gonna get rid of all of them. You don't need all of them. I mean, I'm gonna hook that back up, but I don't know where I'm gonna hook it up yet. I don't know if it looks better here or up underneath this, or maybe on this side, which I don't know. It would stick down to here and I wouldn't even be able to see my emergency brake or anything, but I don't know. Got it? Now we're going to bend this one. Let's see if it fits now. All right, I got my wire taped up right here. So I'm gonna pull it through the new hole here, which I've got torn out. And I need to vacuum all that stuff out of there somehow. We're gonna go ahead and get that started now. Here's a quick tip when using solder. If you take your solder and take a Phillips head and wrap it around it like this right here, then press down, wrap it, press down, wrap it, press it down, and just keep pressing it down till you get all the way to the end. Then take it loose, and then take it, run it through itself, the end that it comes from. And when you pull it out this end, now you got something to hold your solder, and you can just pull on it and it pulls out of the loop. So that's a quick tip when you're soldering. All right, now we're soldering these as we go. This is an old yellow one, so we're gonna undo it. Well guys, this is what it looks like after it's finished. And it looks good. And I keep the old, you know, microphone right there. But everything on it, I'll show you how it lights up. Gotta get my keys in there. It lights up right there. And these are on-off buttons. And they turn different things on and off. And then this is a yelp button and a squealer button for the siren. And this turns on the lights. And you see the ones in the rear view mirror. But that's it. That's what it looks like. Turned out really good, I thought. And I don't know, it's pretty custom right here the way this is going. All right guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but there's the new fender and the new bumper. Looks pretty darn good on there. So I'm really liking it. So thank you guys for watching. And actually, let's show you this inside here. This is the control panel here. And when you turn the key off, it goes off. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.